Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Update error code 0xC1420 So guys, this is very easy and simple method. So start our video. First you need to click on start. Now type settings. Now open settings. Now click on update and security. Now click on troubleshooter. Now click on additional troubleshooter. Now click on Windows Update. Now click on run the troubleshoot. Wait till this processor will be completed. After this processor will be completed, restart your PC. After restart, need to click on start. Now type cmd. Now right click on command prompt. Now click on run as administrator. Now type here code sfc space / scan now. Now click on enter. Firstly type this command sfc scan now and click on enter. Now you see this till this processor will be completed. Now close it and after this processor will be complete, close it and restart your PC. After restart you see your problem will be fixed. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not. Thanks for watching again.